Okay, we're at Sylvan Lake. Do you remember being here 9 years ago back?
I do. I remember
Yeah.
the rocks.
Yep, then we walked around, took the trail all around.
Yeah.
And then I'll show you ahead of us. There's the family. There's a couple more scattered around here. There's some more family.
Hi.
They're half sober right now, so it won't be that exciting.
Give them an hour.
Yeah, there's a pretty nice trail back here. We got Grandma with us, so I don't think we'll be doing too much hiking, but it's very beautiful.
We walked around it, right, Rich?
I don't think we walked the whole way around, but we took the trail down and around, and I think we came up over here to the right. Pretty, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We're going across the bridge over there.
I think we can make it to the bridge.
I think we can. It's actually the dam.
Not many people have done a super hike, so.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
We talk about that to this day.
Yeah.
We can do it again. We got it memorized now.
Yeah, we've done it clockwise and counterclockwise.
We got away from poison ivy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What they're talking about, the super hike, when we came in 2016, our first day here, I think
Yeah,
it was.
Yeah.
They said, hey, you want to go on a hike? So we said, yeah. Well, it wasn't on a trail. It was just going out into the, watch it here, hon. It was just going through the woods to different rock formations. We had one, it was called the wormhole. We had to shimmy up through and you barely fit. The other one was called the birthing canal. And then you went down and you had to go a certain way because you had to contort your body a certain way to get down through there and get footholds and everything else. But it was exhausting, but a lot of fun. Yeah, it definitely wasn't a trail like this.
No. What'd we call it? Type B fun? It was fun when it was done.
Yeah.
See if anybody
Okay.
falls in. Whoop.
Good. Let's get you traversing these rocks.
Well, I didn't wear the best shoes.
All right. Okay, so Grandma went back to the car and we decided to take the trail.
There's that Sunday Gulch Trail. Yeah, it's not as Sunday as you would think. Yeah. Yeah. Wrong.
And then this is a trail we took last time we were here. And I believe I killed a chipmunk. Well, I didn't kill him. The chipmunk actually ran out underneath my foot and I stepped on it. So technically I did not kill the chipmunk.
That's
Yeah. Okay, and here's the dam, and that's that bridge to nowhere we were just on. My brother-in-law said that when there's a lot of water, it's been dry this season, but when there's a lot of water and it's pouring over, in the winter it freezes up. He says it's one of the most beautiful frozen waterfalls around here. And he says actually the people come out and climb it with the pick hammers. I think it'd be pretty neat to see. Okay, and as you can see, the dam isn't the only discharge. There's a natural one here between the rocks. So it's lower than the dams. There's actually more water coming down here than it's going over the dam. It's tempting. Yeah, so we decided to keep going and go all the way around the lake. Grandma's back at the, what is that, a lodge or something?
Store.
Just
like,
a store, place
yeah.
sitting on the deck. And just a couple lonely trees up there on top. Something they can find enough cracks in that for the roots to hold. We're on our way up now, so we're both breathing heavy. And we made it to the top. Still breathing hard. By the time we got to the top of that hill, Becky was saying, you can tell we haven't been hiking that much. It wasn't much of a hill and we're out of breath. And then on the far side, you can see people walking. That's a trail we took in. I mean, it's so hard to decide what the video and what not the video. It's so beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, Cindy and Becky are going to get their piggies wet. Let's see how far they make it. Want me to hold your phones just in case somebody goes under?
Cindy, do you want Rich to hold your phone?
Yeah.
How about your phone, Beck?
Jay, take pictures.
Okay, let's see who goes out the furthest. I think there's shenanigans going on.
Whew. That's cold.
Uh-oh, she almost went down, almost went down. Come on, I need the viewers.
Woo.
All right, as far as I'm going.
How is the water temperature?
Good. I haven't started them.
Didn't you used to work with kids?
I work with kids.
Okay.
That's why I apologize.
Okay, all right.
Why she doesn't work with them anymore?
So it's always good to apologize that.
And I saw my bathing suit.
Yeah,
Except I got my shorts all
Yeah.
wet in the back.
that's all right.
Poor thing.
How was it?
It was cold. Of course, now my ass is wet.
Sylvan Lake Trail. It's 1 mile. Climb is 115 foot. Rated as easy, 1 hour, and it's one of the easiest trails in the Black Hills. So if you think you accomplished something, there's harder ones. You just never know what you'll see. Okay, so we're almost done with the hike here. We're gonna get back to the car and move on to the next adventure. See you in a bit. A lot of rocks I gotta look for.